The best tablets for photo and video editing these days are so powerful, they're actually slimmed-down laptops. Add to that the increasingly better quality of tablet screens, making them a great choice for photo and video editing on the go. Tablets at the top of the game, CST clear displays make your work look incredible. Super sensitive styluses that capture even your smallest movements and long battery life. In this video, we will review the best tablets for photo and video editing in the 2024 market. When you watch our video until the end, you will see the tablet that best suits your budget and your needs, taking into account the price difference between the best tablets for photo and video editing. If you do not want to miss such videos, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 12. Overall the best tablet for photo and video editing. Thanks to the M2 chip, it easily handles even the most demanding tasks, allowing smooth 4K video editing and detailed photo retouching. There is no hitch in terms of performance. iPad OS elevates the editing experience by providing productive and intuitive multitasking capabilities. You can work on a video, sketch your ideas, and manage emails all at the same time, thanks to the Scene Manager and features that support running multiple applications simultaneously. Whether you're making light photo adjustments or creating complex illustrations, the pen feels like an extension of your hand. Images are stunning on the 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Every detail of your work is displayed in vivid clarity. The screen's high brightness level, contrast ratio, and color accuracy reflect what you're editing as it would appear in real life, perfect for HDR content. Battery life is impressive. You can use it for a long time without needing to charge it frequently. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Best Windows tablet for photo and video editing. It stands out as the Windows tablet for photo and video editors who need the combination of power, portability, and precision. With Windows 11 and the innovative Copilot feature, this tablet will make your work easier. Copilot helps you bring your artistic vision to life without getting bored with technical details. The 13-inch touchscreen automatically adjusts the color balance to suit your surroundings. This will trim videos so that the screen shows your work correctly. Flexibility is important for any organizer, and the Surface Pro 9 delivers with its adjustable stand. Add the Surface Pro's signature keyboard, and you've got a laptop setup ready for the editing process. Whenever you need to draw or jot down ideas, the Surface Slim Pen 2 gives the feel of pen on paper. Based on the Intel Evo platform with the latest Intel Core processors, the Surface Pro 9 is a true beacon. And with up to 19 hours of battery life, you don't need to keep charging Surface Pro 9. For photo and video editors, the best option is Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Number 3. Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The best photo and video editing tablet for advanced users. It features the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 chip that offers unmatched power and performance. It's not just about speed, it's about the smooth execution of editing software. Whether you want to layer effects over 4K videos or adjust high-res images with precision, this tablet copes with ease. But what really sets the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra apart for photo and video editors is its screen. The 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is a visual feast for a creator. It also delivers intense colors, deep contrast, and exceptional brightness. You see crystal clear details of every color and shade. In terms of durability, the Tab S9 AI Ultra excels in the most demanding areas of creative work. Covered with an armored aluminum frame and rated IP68, you can use this tablet without worrying about water and dust. Number 4. Asus ROG Flow Z13. The best premium tablet for photo and video editing. It's the perfect device for photo and video editors looking for speed and power in a tablet. You can easily have the flexibility of drawing with active stylus support directly on the touchscreen. Equipped with Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, this combination allows you to easily handle your editing tasks even with the most intensive software. It has very fast rendering times and smooth playback even when working with 8K video files, and its speed is really good. ROG Flow Z13 provides this with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD storage. Loading times are almost non-existent, and multitasking is easy. Cooling is important, especially with all that power. Asus's ROG has this covered with its smart cooling system. With the Nebula display, you get crystal clear, color-accurate images on a QHD display. A high refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, and dashboard validation ensure your edits look as intended in any lighting condition. Number 5. Lenovo Tab P11. It's a solid choice for those editing photos and videos on a tight budget. Don't expect superior performance, but it offers good value for the price you pay. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, it is equipped to deal with basic photo and video editing tasks. It won't zip through heavy editing applications, but it's reliable enough for lighter tasks and movements. Running Android 12L, Lenovo Tab P11 provides access to a wide range of editing apps on the Google Play Store. Multitasking is fairly possible with 4 GB of RAM, allowing you to switch between apps reasonably well. Storage is limited to 64 GB, which is good for starting out and storing your projects and apps. If you run out of space, you can expand it with a memory card. The display is 11.5-inch 2K display, which is very convenient for you to review and edit work, delivers clear visuals, and allows you to work in different lighting conditions with 400 nits brightness. It's not packed with the latest and greatest features, but it offers a convenient solution. We have come to the end of another video. I hope you found this video useful. If you found it useful, please leave a like. Always appreciate which of these tablets you choose. Please let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious about your preferences. Thank you for watching. Also, subscribe to the channel if you do not want to miss future videos. See you in the next video.